Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in today's newspaper on Monday, March the 18th, 2024. We have here only three regular puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the binary. There's no additional in this in today's newspaper. No additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. No. I've told you in the earlier previous video to solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. Well, I've changed my mind. I won't do them. Why? Well, it's I've noticed that some puzzles are too easy to solve, so it's waste of time. Okay, and the news, well, I've told you, 163 days ago another war started. Yes, not the war in Ukraine, but the war in Israel. And it's still going on. Yeah, still going on. Alright. 4 Stars Sudoku, number 8212. So in the evening, again, I won't do the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition here. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 25 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Well, usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24 printed digits. This one has 25. And should be a 3 stars puzzle. Yeah, 3 stars. And for a 3 stars puzzle, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku is in the additional, well, should be a 3 stars. I need 20 to 30 minutes. We'll see if this is a 3 stars or a 4 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so column next. Only 2 places left. 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. And only place level 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this row should be there. Then 1, 6, and 7. Okay. The 6 in this row, third row. 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 6 should be there. 8, 9. Need a 9 here. We're need 4 there. Okay. Let me see. Come on. Well, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 place left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2. Alright. Now, 9. Need a 1 here. 5, need a 9 here. 4 missing numbers in this third column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in the third column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Right. Then 2, okay. 1, 7, 3. Let me think. 3. 3. So need a 3 there. Five, six. Yeah. Come on. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there, yeah. In this column, middle column, we need a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes. Here can be a 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. So the 4 in the middle column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, okay. Then need a 9 here. Let me think. Come on, need a 9 here. One, 6, 2, 4, 9. Need a 1 here. Come on. 4. Need a 4 here. 1, 6. Need a 1 here. 3. Here. Thinking 6. Need a 6 there. 1, 6, 1, 7, 5. 5 here. 1, 5, 7. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So first row, only 2 place level 8. Could be here, could be there. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 place level 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places level 4 could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places level 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place level 5 should be there. Alright. 5 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in this row, second row. No 5 in these two boxes. 5 in the second column. No 5 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. 9 in the third row, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for 9 in this big square. Should be there. 2 and a 7, okay. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Yeah. Need a 1 here. Okay. Need to move the camera, okay. Position the camera. How about the 4 here? Need a 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. Well, in this big square, we need a 3. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is 3. Here can be 3, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 in this column should be there. So the 7 and 8 are missing here. 7, 8, and the 1. Alright, do we have all the 3s? No. 3, 3. 3, 3. Need a 3 there. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in this column. No 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes all the way to 3. We have a 3 in this row. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. Alright. 6, 6. 6 here. I need a 6 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these 2 boxes. Here's 6 in the last column. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. Here, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in that column, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 7 are missing. Alright. Then 8 and 7, 8 and 7. 8, need a 7. No 7s here. Well. 2 numbers left in this big square from us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 7. We have a 7 now in the third row. No 7 there. So the 7 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes all the way to 4. We have a 4 now in this third row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. And the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. 1 box left in the second row. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes at there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in this last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. This is a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left now in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3. No. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. Sorry. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column, 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places left, the 7 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 1 digit left in this column. For number 1, 2 missing numbers in the last column for the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9, we have a 9. In the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1. It's missing the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8. And look, we have 1 and 8 in this row. So no 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Alright. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between second column, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright, 7 and 8. We have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Okay, 1 box left now in this column for number 1. Alright. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 5 and 7. 2 missing them. Oh, wait. 5 in this column, 5 in the column and next. So in the third column, the only place left the 5 should be there. 5 in the 3. We have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then let me see. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 6, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between second column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 3 and 7, 3 and 7, and we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there, finish in 17 minutes, well. Talk too much, but we solve it again, 4 stars, no, 3 stars, no, let me give this a 2 stars, yeah, I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be 1 star. So let me give this a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third and last puzzle for today, the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.